How to download Telegram app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Telegram app on your Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store on your phone. And here, once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for Telegram. And now once you have searched for it, on the search result page, you'll see the option labeled as Telegram. So just tap on it, and here, as you can see, I have already installed the Telegram app on my Android phone. But if you haven't downloaded, you will see the install button in this page, and once you tap on that, you should just wait for it to complete the installation. And once the installation is complete, you can just tap on open to launch the app, and that's it. That's how you can download the Telegram app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.